Hello garden friends, welcome back to my channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I am Debbie. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I spent it with family, and then in the weekend I went with my daughter-in-law, went to the show and saw Wicked. I've been wanting to go see the play for quite a long time, and I saw the movie this weekend and we all loved it. So if you ever get a chance to go see it, you need to do that. So today's video is a little late in the season. I got most of my tulips and daffodils in the ground back in late October, but I was waiting for 300 daffodils, and they finally came a couple days ago. I planted those in 4 raised beds. The ground was frozen solid, so I needed to find another alternative solution for that, so I planted them in 4 raised beds, and I split those up, 300 daffodils, into those 4 raised beds. Here are the varieties that I'm going to be growing. They are from Johnny's, Leo Berbee, and C&J, Wholesale for the small scale grower. Here's also some videos that I took of me planting the daffodils and tulips. Today we're going to be putting in some daffodils, and then I'm also going to be doing some tulips in a little bit. Today I have 75, and you can see I have one here that's called Cheerfulness. Then I have another one that's called Casada Art Perfume. And then we're going to be putting these throughout the garden. And these are from Leo Berbee. So once we get started, I'll show you the process. All right, here we are going to be taking our drill with our auger. We're going to be drilling some holes about 4 to 6 inches deep. And then we are going to be getting our bulb tone fertilizer, which is right here. This is what I use, is Bulma bulb tone. And then planting the bulbs. Those are all our bulbs, and there's Sadie in the background. Okay, so we did 21 daffodils in this section, and then we went down here to my sunken garden, and we did, I believe we did at least 21 more, and they're just all along the border of this sunken garden. So we just went from the sedum all the way down to this peony right here. As you can see, there's a lot of weeds that are really difficult to pull, so next year I'm going to have to use something to kill that. I do have a bunch of daffodils on this side that I did last year, and you can check that video out from last year. But it's throughout here around this tree, and then there's quite a few right in the middle over there. So then what we're going to do, putting as many as we can in this section, so that in the spring this will be all daffodils around these raised beds. And I'm going to go get started on the tulips over there where my strawberries are. Now I'm going to be doing these 4 beds, and there's some strawberries in it, and I'm going to fill the rest with the tulips, and then I'm going to put a couple of spare ones in those raised beds that I just told you about that have the daffodils. So I'm just gonna like randomly put a few in there, maybe 10 each, and the rest will go right here. I still have quite a few more daffodils coming, and I'm gonna put those in some boxes that I will show you in a future video. Okay, this is where I have 4 raised beds, and I'm going to be putting my assorted cut flower tulips. I'm going to dig out a hole about 4 to 6 inches deep. And then what I'm going to be doing is putting in some bulb tone fertilizer, which is right here. And then I'm going to be taking my bulb. This is the bulb with the pointy end and the red end. So you want the pointy side up. Put in the hole, and then cover it up, and that's all set. Okay, so sorry about the shadows here, but these 2 beds I did put some daffodils in because I had some extra, and that's fine. When I do the vegetables in here, I will dig those out and put them in the ground somewhere. So all around here are daffodils. I put them all the way around, and in these 2 beds I do have some perennials as well, summer perennials that are in this bed. So I will show you in the spring what that looks like. And then lastly, I have 4 raised beds. I was going to put them in the ground, but these came very late. It's now December 4th, and I can't plant them in the ground. It's hard as a rock. It's frozen solid. So today was just a tiny bit warmer in the morning, so I planted 300 bulbs, all assorted in these beds with the bulb tone. It's up with some soil, and then they should be all set. Or I have some wire that I'm going to be putting over them so that no critters can get at them. But then I will be putting them against the house and make sure that they have some water every once in a while if there's no snow cover. So that is it for my 4 beds of daffodils. And I hope to have these transplanted in my garden next year. It's always a joy to see spring come to life. What is your favorite season? My next video will be my winter porch pots, so make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell for that future video. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Bye-bye.